All right, so if you're a business owner like me, you're going to get a bunch of random letters from companies that sound super official. Renewal information enclosed. This is from a company called Domain Name Services, and they are reaching out to the company last7studios.com, which, not a company, but my website. So let's go ahead and open it and hear what they have to say. First things first, you'll see a bill. Hey, expiration date, April 25th, 2024. 5-year renewal, $265. Strange. What is this for? As a courtesy to domain name holders, we are sending this notification of the domain name registration that is due to expire in the next few months. When you switch today to domain name services, you can take advantage of our best savings. Your registration for last7studios.com will expire on April 25th, 2024. It actually doesn't. It expires in 10 years, but nevertheless. Domain name, this. Reply by this date. You must remit your domain name to retain exclusive rights to it on the web. Well, yeah, that's how that works. And now, it is time to transfer. Now is the time to transfer or renew your name from your current registrar to Domain Name Services. Failure to renew by the extension date may result in the loss of your online identity and make it difficult for your customers and friends to locate you on the web. Wow. You sent it even like a not even postage paid. Privatization of domain name registrations and renewals now allows the consumer the choice of registrars when initially registering and also when renewing a domain name. Domain name holders are not obliged to renew their domain name with their current registrar or with domain name services. Review our prices inside of yourself. You are under no obligation to pay the amount stated below unless you accept this offer. This notice is not a bill. It is rather an easy means of payment should you decide to switch. So what this company does is they go online and they basically look at domains that have been, or when the domain was purchased. And then what they do is they say, hey, this domain was purchased on this day and this year. So every year it comes up for renewal. And what they do is they put together these fancy looking things and then you open it up and all you see is this. And if you don't take the time to read what it is, like, oh, this is for my domain name, this must be something I have to do, then obviously people just pay it. Which sucks, because this company has been doing this for years. And like a lot of companies have been taken for a ride, and they're like, well, why is my domain name expired? Well, your domain name is expired because the company you sent your renewal to is this, not your actual domain registrar. So if you ever get a piece of mail that looks like this, just be aware that it's a scam. Read it and just say, hey, you're not under any obligation. This is not a bill. Don't get taken advantage of. Because once you pay them, there's no way to get your money out of it. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.